Ooh, that was it. That technically counts. Hello, welcome back to another episode on the FPV journey. This is episode 16. Let's spin the wheel so you can see what we're doing today. All right, we are doing the Rubik's Cube today. Let's do it. All right, as I was saying, so the Rubik's Cube, here's my understanding of this trick. It's confusing. It involves a flip, a roll, and then another flip. So you do all those together. So you basically, you do the flip, but it's just a half flip. You stop and you, in the middle of your flip, you do a roll and then you finish the flip, the front flip. However, it's like 3 sections, so you do it in 3 parts to make it look like, you know, a Rubik's Cube. Why am I losing signal? I'm right here. Okay, all right. I'm gonna go up higher to do this. Here's my fear with this trick. Here's what I fear the most. Let's turn it a little bit, actually. My fear with this trick is oh, it's a nice baseball field. I won't turn enough, or no, what am I saying? There's a bug on me. My fear with this trick is I will, in the middle of my flips, get disoriented and then lose my position and then just crash into the ground. That's my fear. However, we conquer fears here at Team FPV, and so we're just gonna get it done. All right, so let's go forward a little bit. Front flip. Oh, the practice in this video, he said to practice your 180s, how long it takes to do a 180. Okay, so for this pack, that's what we'll do. We'll just practice the 180s and then the rolls. I feel like it's the 180s that are gonna give me trouble, because the rolls you can see, there it is, it's the rolls. I'm not rolling hard enough. I need to put more on the pitch. There we go. Look at that. All right. That's good. So let's do the rolls then. Ooh, probably should do that. Okay. Okay, let's bring it in, and then let's try it on the next one. I think we have a good base to start with. Now, I don't ever land close to me, because it scares me, but I should start to do that. Man, I have terrible posture. Look at that smack. Holy cow. All right. All right, the Rubik's Cube. Officially take one. Hold on. Something in my nose. All right, let's go up and do it a little higher. Oh, dang it. I'm definitely going too slow. See, that's what I was concerned about, and I did it. It's all right, though. I don't know, okay. I mean, obviously I know I'm going too slow. But that's why, because of that confusion. That was, sort of. It's definitely too slow. Try to do it faster. Okay, see? Headed straight for the ground there. That's the right, it's like the right motion. Look how much more range I have on a nicer battery. Does battery affect that? Probably. All right, that wasn't too bad for a first time. For a beginner FPV pilot such as myself, the wheel, I didn't really want to do the, oh, going backwards. I did not want to do the Rubik's Cube this early. Really hoping it would be for a later episode, but the wheel wills it, and I oblige. I think I'm flipping too much. I shouldn't be rolling, because I just need one roll. All right, let's bring it in, 3 minutes. Bring her in for the last battery. We got a 180 front flip, a complete roll, 360 roll, and then a 180 front flip out of it. I'm gonna talk a little less so I can dial in what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, here we go. Nope, where's it? Dang. I mean, that's a Rubik's Cube. If you're terrible at Rubik's Cubes, like I am, I've never, I don't know what that was. I have never finished a Rubik's Cube in my life. And I know some people are like, oh, it's just an algorithm and you just do the flip and the turn. No, all right, I'm stupid and I can't do it. Let me live in my failure. Okay, let's do this now. I had a Rubik's Cube once. Like I said, I've never done it, but I did. Nope. I did take the stickers off and switch them around, which I know is cheating, but it made me feel good. Okay, that's slow. I need to do a slow one, and then I can work on a fast one. Oh, wait, no. Because I should be upside down. Oh, that's where I'm getting it wrong. Okay, I'm trying to get the roll out when I'm upright, but I should do the roll when I'm upside down. Okay. I got it. All right, okay. I got it. Oh, it's so disorienting. It's hard, man. Whew. I don't know what that was. All right, I need this battery to last. let's go, let's go. This is it, this is it, this is the one. It's upside down, it gets me, all right. See? Oh, how much? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. It's like a half a second. Right, this is it, this is it, this is it. Nope. Wait, no, I'm supposed to be front flipping first. Oh, I'm an idiot. And then for, okay. Oh, there's a person. I see a person and a dog. I think one more try and then we're good. I'm sorry, this is the last try and then we're good. My battery is about to die. Ooh, that was it. That technically counts. I don't want them to get nervous. Hello, person walking your dog. Dang, I gotta land. All right. All right, scoot closer and we can do this proper, okay? So get over here. Watch, actually, let's do this, ready? All right, this has been the Rubik's Cube. This is episode 16 of 64, Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5 stars. You already know we're gonna draw, if you can take a wild guess, we're gonna draw the Rubik's Cube, and there you go. Man, we are a fourth of the way done. Like I said earlier, 25% done with this challenge. Didn't think I'd make it this far. Gonna be real honest, but here we are. I'm enjoying it, I'm having fun flying. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit the like button if you liked the video, or if you just like FPV, or if you like anything, just hit that like button. Comment down below what you think the next trick will be, what will the wheel decide. And this is a beautiful day. I hope you're enjoying your day as well. Go out, enjoy it some more with people, with family, friends, or maybe just by yourself. I'm Team FPV, stay soaring.